Hi students. Okay, today we are discussing the topic is complex integration. Okay, how to finding the integration of the complex variable, that is complex variable function. Okay, along the given any curve, that is a line or any other curve, how to finding the integration. Okay, see the first of all definition. So let f of z. So f of z is a complex variable function. So in terms of u plus iv, where u and v are both are function in x and y. So u is called real part of f of z and v is the imaginary part of f of z. So where z is a domain in which form here x plus iy is the domain, f of z is a lies in range. Okay, which is the complex function. Now finding the integration of f of z, that is called complex integration given along the curve c is denoted by, so integration over c f of z dz is equal to integration of f of z is equal to, so here u plus iv dz means x is equal z is equal x plus iy kada, dz is equal to dx plus I dy. So this is can be separating also integration. So that is integration of, so using that real part imagine but separating. So this is u into dx, next to iv into I dy, that is I into I square and minus v dy plus, next to imaginary part the separating the integration I term. So I is common, so here u into I dy, u into I dy plus iv into dx, I common v dx plus u dy. So that is equal to complex variable integration, and hence the evaluation of the line integration of a complex function can be converted to the evaluation of two line integrals of real function. That means this is the first function integration over c, that is real part. This is the integration and real part and I the imaginary part. So this is called complex integration of the given complex variable function along the curve c. Okay na? Now see that some example on. Okay na? See the example now. Yeah. So evaluate integration from 0 to 1 plus I, x minus y plus I into x square dz along the line from z is equal 0 to z is equal to 1 plus I. So point is z is equal 0 and 0 is the origin and 0 comma 0 to z is equal to 1 plus I, that means 1 comma 1 and a line anamata. So given is a line from the point 0 to 1 comma 1, then finding the integration of complex variable. See the solution. So let z is equal, z is a complex variable domain in the domain, so z is equal to x plus iy and dz is equal to dx plus I dy. So since integration from z is equal to 0 to, that is a 0 comma 0 point, to z is equal to 1 plus I, that is 1 comma 1. Yeah, see the graph, x axis y axis ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇది 0 comma 0 point to 1 comma 1 point అంటే along OA అవునా, this is a curve C అనమాట. Now finding the integration from 0 to A and x limits or y limits converting, x limit 0 to 1 or y limits also 0 to 1. Okay na? Then how to finding here integration. So integration along the line OA, that is the line equation OA passing through origin kada, and y is equal to x, this is a line, this line equation OA is the y is equal to x. Okay na? So which is convert to y to x or x to y. So dy is equal to a, so dy is equal to dx and y ni x lo convert చేస్తున్నాం. So that we taking x limits, so that is 0 to 1. So therefore given integration 0 to 1 plus I x minus y plus I x square into dz. Okay, so that is equal to integration 0 to 1 plus I x minus y. Y is equal to here x, substituting here, x minus y plus I into x square into dx plus I dy. dz is equal to dx plus I dy. So choosing y ni x lo convert chestunna kada, only x limit choosing, that is 0 to 1. x minus y place lo x plus I x square same. So dx plus I dy place lo dx. Okay, now simplification. So 1 plus I and dx common, dx common, 1 plus I is the common, and x is the cancel, remaining I x square into dx. So 1 plus I is the same constant. ఇక్కడ I is the common, అవునా, I is the common, I into 1 I plus I into I square కదా, అంటే -1. So integration of x square x cube by 3, lower limit 0, upper limit 1, substituting. Yeah, simplification after substituting upper limit minus lower limit. So minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus I. This is a complex integration of the given complex variable along the line. Okay, you understood all of you, this, everyone? Yeah, see the one of the example. Okay, we will see the next example. Yeah, evaluate integration over C mod z dz, where C is the left half of the unit circle, mod z is equal to 1 from z is equal to minus I to z is equal to I. So your point is z is equal minus I to z is equal I కదా, అంటే the point on y axis, ఎందుకు ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు కదా మనకి, అంటే the point on y axis, there is minus I means 0 comma minus 1, I means 0 comma 1. So given region is circle, mod z is equal to 1, mod z is equal to 1 means the circle, with the center 0 comma 0, radius 1, but given is not total circle, only left half, అంటే ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, సెకండ్ అండ్ థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉన్న సర్కిల్ మాత్రం తీసుకోవాలి, దానికి మాత్రమే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా, సో సీ దట్ హియర్ సొల్యూషన్. గివెన్ సర్కిల్ mod z is equal to 1 means x square plus y square is equal to 1, radius 1. So let the simple form on the given circle kada, we have to choosing the polar point on the circle. So polar point means z is equal to r cos theta plus I r sin theta, that is equal to simple form r into e power I theta, that is equal to e power I theta, because radius is equal to 1. So z is equal to e power I theta is a polar point. So dz is equal to differentiation kada, dz is equal to integration of e power I theta means I constant, I into e power I theta into differentiation of theta, so d theta. So that is equal to since C is the left of this unit circle, mod z is equal to 1 from the given point. So z is equal to minus I means the point is on y axis 0 comma minus 1, and 2 z is equal to I, that is equal to 0 comma 1. Yeah, see the graph clearly. This is y axis, x axis. So this is z is equal minus I point and ఇది అవునా, minus I means on y axis minus 1, 0 comma minus 1, ఇది z is equal to I అంటే 0 comma 1. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకు వస్తుంది లెఫ్ట్ హాఫ్ సర్కిల్ కదా, దట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ కోఆర్డినేట్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సర్కిల్. సో చూసింగ్ పోలార్ ఫామ్ కదా, అంటే ఆర్ని టీటాలోకి టీటాని ఆర్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం కదా, ఇక్కడ ఆర్ని టీటాలోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం అవునా. సో ఈ పవర్ ఐ టీటా కదా. సో టీటా లిమిట్స్ ఏమవుతాయి ఇక్కడ, ఇది 0 to π/2 అవునా, ఇది π/2 π, ఇది π to 3π/2, 3π/2 to 2π కదా. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇది పాజిటివ్ కోఆర్డినేట్, అది పాజిటివ్ డైరెక్షన్ కదా, క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ 3π/2 కదా, 3π/2 to this line అంటే 5/2. So theta limits is 3 5/2 by 2 to 5/2. ఇవి theta limits. ఓకేనా? సో ఫ్రమ్ ది గ్రాఫ్ theta varies from 3 5/2 to 5/2. ఇవి లిమిట్స్, theta limits అండి. So therefore the given integration over C mod z dz is equal to integration theta limits 3 5/2 to 5/2. So mod z is equal మనకి ఇచ్చాడు కదా 1, అవునా? mod z is equal to 1. So dz is equal to here I into e power I theta d theta, అవునా? 1 into I is a common constant. So integration of e power I theta by I. So theta limit substituting, lower limit 3 5/2, upper limit 5/2, that is equal to here theta is equal to 5/2 e power I 5/2 minus lower limit e power I 3 5/2, that is equal to, which is the form cos e power I 5/2 can be write e power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta kada. So cos 5/2 plus I sin 5/2. So minus similarly same e power I theta cos 3 5/2 plus I sin 3 5/2. So simplification is value. So this is a value 0, this value 1, that is 1 into I cos 3 5/2 0, sin 3 5/2 minus 1, that is equal simplification 2I. So this is the required result of the given complex variable function integration. Okay na? Is understood all of you? Yeah. This is the example on complex variable integration. So similarly every problem same procedure. So that is defined on the given region. So where is the region? That is important the point. Integration from the given point to the given point. That is understood everyone. Okay. So for more videos please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Okay. Thank you.